विदाय नमः ओम समविदाय नमः ओम अथर्वविदाय नमः ओम पंगवत्तय संघ सपरिवाराय नमः ओम जलबिंबाय नमः हिरण्यपुरुषाय धीमहि तन्नो प्रचोदयात् ओम जलबिंबाय नमः हिरण्यपुरुषाय धीमहि तन्नो प्रचोदयात् ओम जलबिंबाय नमः हिरण्यपुरुषाय धीमहि तन्नो प्रचोदयात् इदमनलादि दिजोमे ओम आपेशोया
Hello.
Yes.
Can you hear me?
Yes, tell me.
Look this way.
What happened?
Close your eyes first.
Why?
What kind of a person are you? I'm just asking you to close your eyes.
Hey, Baba. Okay.
Now, open your mouth.
Okay, but first tell me, sweet or sour? Sweet will not do, okay?
Will you first open your mouth or not?
Okay. Oh my God, Shara! Wow! Gorgeous! What is happening?
Nothing. It's a religious ritual dedicated to Goddess Lakshmi. Observe for the well-being of one's family.
Yeah.
Look, I have tied this sacred thread around my wrist and I am fasting. It's Sudesha Vrata.
What? Vrata?
What it could be? It's a ritual in Odisha that a married woman of a family observe. It's called Sudesha Vrata.
Oh my God!
I cannot explain so much. I'm observing this for your well-being and good fortune, and you're laughing at me.
Really? You are observing ritual for my good fortune?
Yes.
Shara, whose silly idea is this?
What? What happened?
Because you cannot understand all those things. First tell me, who has put this idea in your head, huh?
Nobody. I am doing it out of my own free will.
Oh, this is even more serious.
What?
Nothing. You know, husband is the lord of your life and afterlife, right?
Right?
Husband is the supreme teacher, right?
Right?
To lie before your husband, I mean, you are aware of the consequence of lying.
Krishna. Sin. Ultimate sin.
A faithful and saintly wife like you knowingly commits a sinful act like this.
I have not done anything.
Oh, then how did this fever of fasting catch on, huh? I'm sure someone has tutored you, huh? Want to tell me who? Is it father?
No. Father has not forced me.
Well, when father is so fond of you, where is the need of applying force? How can I explain you, Shaila? Why? Why are you fasting? For the well-being of your husband, home, family, or to please gods and angels? Shaila, this is hypocrisy, your hypocrisy. I've told you many times to be what you are, and like that. You remember where I had first met you in your bliss before our marriage?
Again, I will not spare you.
On top of a guava tree, perched on a branch, nearly chewing away unripe guavas, one after the other. Can you recall?
No.
Oh no, you couldn't care less that I was standing there watching you. Yet I was thinking,
What were you thinking?
I need a girl just like this. Fearless, confident, unsuspecting, simple, and innocent. Pure like a child.
Now I understand.
What did you understand?
That you are a teacher and you need students. Jai Guruji.
Jala, if you have understood that, be a child. Why do you bother about acts of sin, virtues, past life and afterlife? Why do you inflict pain on your body by indulging these vows and fasting, which are only to show off?
But this happens in every house.
Oh, darling, how do you know whatever everybody does is the right thing?
Father said so.
Oh, God, Father. Shela, Father belongs to the old school, and the world was different then. It has changed. Modern man cannot be misled by prayers, rituals, and festivities anymore. He needs food to eat, clothes to wear, school and colleges for his children, a roof over his head, name and fame to live a dignified social life. The world has changed. Father has not. Sad part, he does not even want to change,
Why should father change? What has he done? He's content with his God. Krishna, Krishna, Krishna, Krishna,
No,
Krishna.
no, no. I don't have to say anything about whether he's right or wrong. You know, he got me educated and made a man out of me. He himself was a headmaster in a school, and his dream was to make me a professor in the university. And he did all he could do for that. Apart from this, Shaila? What happened? Shaila! Hello!
Indeed, whatever father says is correct. Everything depends on man's destiny. If destiny permits, everything falls on place. Otherwise, no.
Oh, okay. You mentioned destiny. I really cannot figure it out. Can you explain me how?
Yes, I listen.
Okay.
I was destined to come here. So I did, taking the loads of my parents. But poor Bholanath, my brother, he remained the way he was.
Okay.
He did not study, learn to do or understand anything. You tell me what he will do.
Why? I have asked you to bring Bholanath here. Bholanath is also, Bholanath is your brother. I do have some responsibility towards him. Let him stay with us. Try to bring out some changes in him.
No, you don't know Bholanath.
Huh.
He has turned the entire village on his head. You will bring him to stay in his house?
Yes?
Don't do that. He will make all of you mad in just 2 days. Mark my words.
Shaila, nobody has gone mad in your house. Why do you think everything will go insane here?
Parents are different. They have to put up with everything because they have given him birth. Tell me, why would you unnecessarily create unpleasantness in this house?
Shaila, I think you have not understood your own brother. I have a feeling that, you all have seen his exterior. Nobody tried to feel his interior. If you always treat him like an animal, how would he behave like a human being?
My father has recently sent me a letter that Bholanath had stolen a gold necklace of mother, sold it and gone off to Kolkata for 10 to 15 days to join some Jatra company. And when he ran out of money, he came back home with a good repentant boy.
But still, Shaila, we have to do something when there is still time. I think if he stays here now, I can give it a try. I teach students of his age in the university after all.
Good boy.
What?
Wait.
No, please. My God. Always.
Hey, listen. Your followers have arrived. Let me go. Father is offering prayers.
Who's there?
Sir, it's me, Sanandini.
Oh, Sarandini, please come inside. Come.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Have a seat, please.
No, sir, it's all right.
Who's there?
One minute, sir.
Okay. Who's he?
Sir, he's Parshuram, sir. Parshuram.
Oh, Parshuram.
Namaste, sir.
Okay. Please sit down. Parshuram, please sit down.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, perhaps you don't know Parshuram too well.
Okay.
He is the newly elected secretary of our college union,
Oh,
sir.
I'm so fortunate to have both the president and secretary in my home today. How are you all doing?
Sir, please don't ask anything. There is not even a movement despite from the problems of the college union, sir.
Yes, sir.
Problems after problems.
Yes, sir.
Problems after problems.
Yes, sir.
Only unpleasantness.
Yes, sir.
Unhappiness.
Yes, sir.
Dissatisfaction.
Yes, sir.
Protest.
Yes, sir.
movement.
Yes, sir.
Please.
Inkılap Zindabad. İnkılap
Oh.
Zindabad.
You are in home.
Something or the other is always going on, sir. As I'm the president of the college union, I just cannot avoid them. I have no other way but to shout slogans.
İnkılap Zindabad. İnkılap Zindabad. İnkılap Zindabad.
Oh,
But sir, they will provide sakal of sir.
what will they blow?
What he means to say, skull.
Oh, skull.
Yes, sir. Very, very.
Sir, they have threatened Parshuram.
Why?
Because, sir, Parshuram had played in role in last month's college strike, which had to be called off.
Yes, sir.
That's why some boys have threatened Parshuram.
Sir, they will provide sakal of skull of sir.
But these are not good signs.
Yes, sir. You're absolutely right. Sir, you're very popular among the students. You please do something, sir, please.
No. I don't think I can do anything. Suddenly, These are all your college union matters. Where do I come into the picture?
Sir, I admit that you are not in a college union. Yet, every students love and respect you for your out-of-the-box thinking, sir. At least guide us. Please, sir.
I guiding you?
Yes, sir.
No. What do you want to say?
I want to...
Inqilab Jindabad! Sir, a new idea has occurred to me.
No idea. Oh my God.
Yes, sir. I couldn't sleep at all last morning.
No morning, night.
At night, sir. I disclosed the idea to Sarandri. She completely agrees with me. After discussing everything, we come to you for your guidance, sir.
Okay. I understand. Please, Varshita, sit down. Let me listen to your idea.
Yes, sir. A new awakening, a new realization, a new revolution, sir. Sir, you will see the ones who are getting to blow our heads off will come trying to seek our forgiveness. As soon as I can.
Okay. Please. I'm sorry, Sandhani. I'm not able to understand anything.
Sorry, sir.
So let me explain.
Please.
Sir, the idea is why this restlessness in the student community?
Why?
There can be any number of reasons, sir.
Yes, sir.
But the main reasons are lack of idealism,
Yes, sir.
lack of thoughts,
Yes, sir.
and lack of patience.
Yes, sir.
Then what do you want to do?
Divergence, sir. We want to create a diversion.
Okay. How?
Let me explain. We will divert their mind into a new direction.
Okay.
We will create an all Utkal association of glory of God. All schools, all colleges will have a branch of this association. Every student will indulge in divine narration every day. There will be only Hare Krishna.
What?
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare,
No.
Hare Rama, Hare
Please don't do all that here.
Rama Rama,
No.
Hare Hare.
Stop it! What's going on here?
Sorry, sir.
Don't drag me into all that. You know I don't believe in God.
What?
You don't believe in God?
Yes, I don't believe in God. There is no God.
Then what about God?
God does not exist.
God does not exist. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna.
Yes, you are right. There is no God. There is no scientific proof either. That is why I believe in a man. If there is a God, it is a man. See, Sanandini, the crisis you are talking about is not confined only to the student community. This crisis confronts the entire mankind. As long as one man cannot understand the other, one cannot respect the other, there will be no end to this crisis. See, you all are university students. You must try to understand the human beings. You try to understand the world. How long will you remain shrouded in the fog of superstition? Huh?
Sir. What about our Glory of God Association?
Yes, the glory that is inside you, the excellence that you have within yourself, the greatness that you all have, do not need any kind of association to express it.
But sir, this crisis?
Yes, I understand. This must be resolved. I admit. But one must have the courage and strength to achieve what is true, just, and fair. Do you have that courage?
Yes, sir.
Do you possess that strength?
Yes, sir.
Can you fight
Huh? With whom,
With
sir?
whom, sir?
against injustice, unfairness, misjudgment that prevails in our society? If you cannot fight, keep quiet. Do not create any kind of ruckus. Tolerate it with your eyes shut. Eat vegetarian food, sit bare body, and practice non-violence. Satyagraha.
Pashuram, the idea, Satyagraha. We will practice Satyagraha, Pashuram. Sir, we will practice Satyagraha.
Okay, do whatever you want, but not in my home. Outside, please.
Okay, sir. Sorry, sir. Thank you, sir. Pashuram, start.
Generation horrible.
Listen, I have been sitting with a plate of offerings since evening, but there is no sign Father prayers coming to an end.
Oh dear, I have not even eaten anything yet.
No.
Will you listen to me? Please don't do all these religious rituals. It's all meaningless. If you are feeling very hungry, go and eat something, right?
But Father prayers are not over yet.
God, Father will take care of this prayers. Why are you so worried?
If he gets to know about all this,
Then what? Will he throw you out of the house?
no. I cannot eat anything before Father prayer gets over.
Okay, leave it. The train is about to arrive. I have to go to the railway station. Oh yes. Have you cleaned up the guest room?
Yes, I have done everything you had asked me to do.
Everything is fine except one.
What?
I will be so relieved if Sukanta doesn't laugh at your condition because of your religious rituals, vows, and fasting.
Why? What is wrong with me?
You know nothing. Just go and have a look at your face in the mirror. It is so pale.
Why should I look at my face? If you don't like it, don't look at my face.
Oh, Shaila, darling. I'm not talking about myself. Huh? I'm referring to my childhood friend, Sukanta. We have no secrets from each other. Okay? Oh, yes, tell me. What will you eat tonight?
You would know. I cannot cook non-veg in the middle of the day. Krishna.
What do you mean you cannot cook? What will you eat then?
Hurry. I'm observing this very big ritual for my husband and family dedicated to Goddess Lakshmi. I'm fasting and you're asking me to cook non-veg?
Sarah, Sukanta is a very intimate friend of mine and he's visiting here after such a long time. Is it not correct to look after him because you're observing some religious rituals? See, nothing is available at home. At least order some mutton or chicken from the restaurant. Okay?
But Father,
What about me then? I'm nobody's house!
छंद वरुणो देवतां जलाविमन्त्रणे विनियोगः ओम सन्नुदेवीरविष्टयापुवन्विते संजुदेवी सर्ववन्दनः ओम गंगायै नमः ओम जमुनायै नमः ओम गोदावरी नमः ओम रघुविदाय नमः ओम जगद्विदाय नमः ओम सामविदाय नमः ओम अथर्वविदाय नमः ओम वरुणाय संगे सपरिवाराय नमः ओम जलविदाय नमः हेरलपुरुषाय दिवै तमोदरमोदयात् ओम जलविदाय दिवै तमोदरमोदयात् ओम जलविदाय
What did Prafula say? Chicken or fish? Look, this Sukanta is just like Prafula. He will never trust vegetarian food. But my child, don't worry. I have ordered Tanhai to go to the market to buy some fish. He will take care of it. Hurry. Hurry.
Father, should I bring you bhoga here?
Oh my God. Have you not had it over? You have not touched water yet. No. Go inside and have some food.
But
Hurry.
you,
Don't worry about me. My cares are not yet over. Once it's finished, I'll come to you with stretching hands. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna.
Father,
You want to say something? Tell me.
he's saying that Sukanta will laugh at me.
Laugh. Why?
This, I'm observing this very big ritual, Sudasha Vrata. I have been fasting the whole day.
This Prafula might be joking. He's mocking at you. Why won't he? He is educated. He is intelligent. He has seen the world. But my child, it doesn't make any sense to God. God is almighty. He is the ocean of love, compassion, mercy. Pray him. Don't hit to Prafula. He is an atheist. Hare Atheist.
Atheist.
Yes. You know what atheist is? Come, I'll tell you, my child. An atheist is one who negates everything, who doesn't believe in anything, not even the existence of God, the creator of Almighty. I always pray to God to save my child. That is why I break my head at his feet. Oh God, save him. Show him the right path. I am unable to show him the path. Hare Krishna, Hare
Father, what shall I do then?
Nothing. Nobody has to do anything. Everything is God's will. Only do one thing. Pray him. Then you'll see all the darkness will disappear. His soul will be with smile. And neither you remain as Sailor, nor he will be as Prafula. all will be reduced to one entity in your new stream joy. Then there will be no sorrow, no grief, no malice, no enmity, nothing. Then here I'll be. Hare Krishna. Oh my God, where are you? Why are you disappearing? Show me your face, Hare Krishna. This poor soul is searching for you. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna.
Father,
Hare
Father,
Hare.
Father,
Yes.
who are you looking for? There is nobody else other than me. No, Father.
Yes, you are right. There is nobody. Everything is Maya, illusion. Or else would I feel so close to God? Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna.
Father.
You are my only hope, my child.
Oh, then what will I do?
Nothing. Nothing. You don't have to do anything. Only pray. Pray. All at once, my child. Say with me. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Krishna Krishna.
Krishna Krishna.
Hare Hare.
Hare Hare.
Hare Rama.
Hare Rama.
Hare Rama.
Hare Rama.
Rama Rama.
Ram Ram.
Hare Hare.
Hare Hare.
Ananda. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Krishna Krishna. Hare Hare. Hare Rama. Hare Rama. Rama Rama. Hare Hare. Hare Krishna. Hare Hare. Hare Rama. Hare Rama. Rama Rama. Hare Hare. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Krishna Krishna. Hare Hare.
अरे why did you stop Bhavgrahi? Call again. Ayushmati Bhava, Ayushmati Bhava.
Namaskar, Panditji.
How sweet that call of both of you sounds. Paramanand Bhavgrahi.
Ananda. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna.
When did you come, Panditji?
How lucky I am. The moment I set foot on your doorstep, I could hear the name of Lord Krishna.
Hare
Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
Saida, please go inside. Prafulla might be coming with Sukanta. They won't feel any inconvenience. Go inside. Panditji, have a seat.
Bhavgrahi, who is coming with Prafulla?
Sukanta?
Sukanta.
You don't know Sukanta? A Prafulla childhood friend. He is a big doctor in Kolkata.
Oh, that's Sukanta. I know him. I
Come
know.
at Prafulla's marriage. So he is coming to stay with us for a few days.
Prafulla's childhood friend has become a famous doctor in the meantime.
Yes.
Well, Bhavagrahi, it was not so easy to be famous during our time. Can you tell me why?
Very simple. In our time, it was not easy to become a doctor.
Yes, one had to endure so much pain to get basic education. But these days, it is as easy to be a wise priest as it is to be a famous doctor.
What are you talking, Panditji? You don't know him. I taught him till matriculation. Panditji, he is an orphan.
Orphan?
Yes. For that, I brought him up here in my house. When he became a doctor, I was so blessed with joy. Hare.
You ought to have Bhavagrahi. You ought to have. After all, he is your student.
Just a student? What are you talking, Panditji? He is extraordinary. He is a brick of gold. He is a Sudamunda. Panditji, Sudamunda. But Panditji, there is only one problem with that boy.
Problem? What problem?
Big problem.
Tell me, Bhavagrahi.
The world may turn upside down, Panditji. He will not get married.
But why?
Oh, Panditji, I have tried so many times to convince him. Even Prafulla tried so hard, but all in vain. All in vain.
All in vain. Bhavagrahi, does he suffer from some mental disorder?
What are you talking, Panditji? He himself is a neurologist. Huh?
Okay. I will treat him then.
You will treat him. How?
Yes. I would like to have a look at his horoscope. I think there must be some problem in his horoscope.
Right. There is the problem.
Yes.
Panditji, that reminded me. Come. in-law, Shaila.
Yes, I have done the calculation once, and the result made me skeptical that my calculation might have gone wrong. Then I did a thorough calculation again, but it was no good. It yielded the same result.
What is the result, Panditji? Tell me. What?
Daughter-in-law anywhere around?
Check it, check it.
Listen carefully. Your daughter-in-law is going through an inauspicious phase. It will certainly bring misfortune to the entire family.
Inauspicious?
Yes,
Misfortune?
yes.
What are you saying, Panditji?
No, I'm not saying anything. I'm only telling you what my analysis reveals. Yes, come here. Come here. See. This phase of your daughter-in-law will last for 1.5 years. If Sarah delivers and conceives during this period,
Then what?
the child will be a patricide. Oh! Yes, patricide. Knowingly or unknowingly.
Oh my God!
Someday their child will end up killing the father.
No! Panditji!
But this inauspicious occasion will last for 1.5 years only.
Panditji! What I'm talking? Please, Panditji!
Pray to God. Baba Grahi, pray to God. Human being is incapable of negating the result of moon sign analysis. Panditji, effect of the planetary positions.
Your calculation might be wrong, Panditji. Please check it again.
What? You do not have to ask anyone if Jatadhari predictions are correct or not. Just ask yourself. Haven't all my predictions come true or not? Then,
Oh God! Prabhu's son will be patricide. Shaila's child will kill his father. Prabhulah, Hare Krishna.
Baba Grahi. You are left only two options, Baba Grahi. One, pray to God. Two, laugh.
No.
Laugh. Baba Grahi, laugh. Laugh, Baba Grahi, laugh. Laugh more. Laugh, Baba Grahi, laugh. I have done my job. Let me go. Baba Grahi, my please. Thank you. I really need this, Baba Grahi. Baba Grahi, keep praying. God will definitely help you. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
Help me!
Uncle, I have come, Uncle. I am Bholenath. Didi, where are you, Didi? I have come, Didi. I have come. Uncle, what is it? Is my Didi at home? Okay, Uncle. I'm touching your feet. Okay. Uncle, is my Didi at home? Didi, where are you, Didi? Come now. Didi! Didi!
You have come,
Didi! Didi! What? Didi! Didi! Didi! Didi! Uncle! Where did my Didi went?
Hey, you need the Queen of Hearts. I'm giving it.
You're giving it?
Yes.
I am taking it.
Hey, you have still took it. Perhaps you have got the set, haven't you?
I'm having this one.
Nine of spades, good for nothing, useless. Huh? You took away my Queen of Hearts, and when it comes to giving me nine of spades, it's no use to me, huh?
That's why I gave it to you.
You found all my cards useful, yet not even a single card of yours is useful to me.
Bad luck, Prafula, I understand.
It's not bad luck, it's a disaster, pure disaster, man. Can't see why these cards are playing hide and seek with me. Anyway, some spades will be useful for you.
It is useful.
Some spades also useful. Why? Why we should play then?
Have you lost the game already?
Of course I will lose. I can't see through these tedious state camps. This is a conspiracy, man.
Oh my god, conspiracy.
What else? This Queen of Hearts, Ace of Spades. What was the need to step my hand? So ridicule me in the end?
Okay. Why don't you take a look at my card? Go ahead.
You are sitting with all these cards.
Yes.
My God. These are not even in the same series, you know. My cards are better than these.
There is no point blaming the card. It's your own fault.
Why? What is my offense?
Disbelief, lack of faith.
Disbelief? Who disbelieved whom?
Yourself, others, everyone else. You don't believe in anything.
Oh my God.
I got you there.
I know. Yes, of course, I saw that. You made me scared, but I'm saved. You know, the way you were saying, I thought, and then, I could have easily won the game. Do you understand?
Are you resenting now?
Come on, before that I'm resentment, no way. Yeah, you win some and lose some. Who gives a damn about the win and lose in the game of cards? Hey, what we can do? Must we spoil Sunday evening like this?
Look, this day, sunshine. Even the planetary position, everything is same for me. There is no queue of the patients, no confusion of the operation theatre. I have no tension for the next 6 days. I will relax and sleep. If not anything else, otherwise. Idea. Where has that gem of your brother-in-law gone?
Who? Varuna? Yes, he is in that case. You know, he couldn't do well in the studies. He cannot take any family responsibility.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, you know, he's Jatra expert. What he did, stole his mother's jewelry, sold them out and vanished the Jatra troop.
Really?
Yeah, man. This boy is mad or anything. He's very simple and innocent. I'm thinking to keep him here for some time and try to bring out some changes in him.
Okay. That is why, you know, this morning,
Huh.
he was rhythmically tapping the tabletop and singing some songs.
Really?
Yes. I was hiding and singing songs.
I think I will keep him here for some time.
Here.
Yeah?
Can you manage?
Yeah, that's a dilemma. You know, I have observed him. He thinks he cannot study further, cannot be a successful man, cannot take care of his parents in the old age. All those things are so deeply rooted in his mind. He lost the confidence. I think he needs a counselor. Why? Why are you laughing, man? I'm a doctor, man. But he's not insane, you know. Though he has made one. Others may not be able to understand. But you are a famous doctor. You certainly can figure it out. Tell me one thing, Sivan. What do you do when a worried patient comes running to you?
I asked for my peace.
Impossible, yeah. No good doctor even does that. The first thing patient wants from his doctor is simple.
Wrong. That is acting and eyewash. Sympathy alone cannot cure a disease. It requires treatment and peace. Peace are needed for that.
Fee. What has happened to you, man? I really cannot figure it out.
You cannot figure it out.
Of course not.
Well, there is no difference between your Bholanath and Dr. Sukanta Patnaik. I am insane too.
You are a nutcase.
Yes, I am in that case. But the sad part is that there is no treatment for me.
Who said there's no treatment?
Is there?
Of course, there certainly is. Just select a good life partner and get married. Everything will be all right then.
Yes. I'm waiting for that.
Opportunity? Wow.
Yes, opportunity.
Okay.
Do you know why I did not come to your marriage?
Why?
The truth is, I intentionally did not come.
Okay.
I mean, what would I have gained from seeing the wedding festivities? The dreamy eyes of the bride and the groom. I thought, let some time pass.
Okay.
Let Prafulla become old for.
Oh my God. Cannot imagine.
Then I will certainly arrive one day without any prior notice. I will witness the world of husband and wife. I will calculate what is wrong and what is right. Then I will decide whether I should get married or not.
Bloody Iago. Got you.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
What's next, Shalaki?
Oh my God. What have you done, Shaila? You interpret such a beautiful speech by Sukanta. Hey, what snacks should we have?
I have no objection, but on one condition.
What?
I cannot stand Prafulla's wife covering her head in front of Sukanta.
Oh yes, this thing didn't distract my mind. Have you heard what Sukanta said? Now, make an appearance outside your pallu. Shaila, please.
Bhabhi, you spoiled my big experiment. Why then did I take the trouble to come here?
No, it's not that, sir. Sukanta neither new here nor is outside. Please.
Prafulla, come here. Come here.
I may be an outsider for which she doesn't believe me. But you, my friend, you're no stranger to her. You are her husband. What is the harm in listening to your advice? Or she doesn't believe you either.
You know, I'm also astonished by Shaila's behavior after our match.
Why?
I had never imagined that she would be so shy and bashful in your presence.
Is she?
Yeah, of course, come to see.
Let's see. Bhabhi, is it correct?
What are you blabbering away? Just because I'm not protesting, you are offending me.
Are you listening, Sukanta? I'm offending Shaila.
What else? You have seen me once near the guava tree and you're offending me since then all the time.
Madam, it was not near the guava tree. It was on top of the guava tree.
Oh my God. Bhabhi, you were on top of the guava tree. Yeah, why?
If you behave like this, I'm leaving.
Oh my God.
Shaila, my darling Shaila, please, Shaila.
Oh my God. That was. I never imagined after coming here after so much long. That was fun.
You're right.
But whatever impression I've got about Shaila from you is wrong. I had imagined Shaila to be obstinate, ill-tempered, careless, but she's simple and innocent.
Right. Shaila is not what she used to be. Even I myself cannot believe. She has changed a lot in these 5-6 months.
Prafulla, you perhaps have subjected her with a very strict regime.
Insane, man. Can I rule over Shaila? No way. It's the opposite. I always wished she must remain the way she is.
Then,
It doesn't mean that there is no reason why she has changed like this. Father, our father. You know father better than me. He never experienced the world beyond the school he taught him. Now his only focus is on Lord Krishna. As if there is nobody else other than Lord Krishna. He cries at the name of Krishna. He laughs at the name of Krishna. Poor Shela. Shela has been trapped by father.
no, this is wrong. Father is not like that. I mean, he is not the type who would forcefully thrust his will on others.
Yes, you are right, Sukanta. It's not his nature, it's his influence. And as a result, Shala has come to accept everything, whatever father says, as good and right.
Okay. Will you listen to my advice?
Yeah, sure.
You to indulge in some prayers and some religious
Please,
rituals
come on.
for a few days, man. Come on.
Please.
Everything will be alright.
Sukanta, this is the only way you are telling me?
Pramula, if you're not going to do it, how will you get to know this
Come
is the
on,
best
no,
thing
no,
to do?
you know me since college. I don't do all that. Please. You know me. My ideology is different. How can I do that? Oh.
Okay. You can do whatever you want. This is your life after all.
Let me get some coffee.
Coffee. Wow, Bholanath, wow! You were singing so well. Why did you stop?
I had heard this song from Venu Bhai, master of Mangalpur Opera Group. Do you know?
Does the song have acting with it too?
Yes, very powerful acting. This is nothing. If you see Venu Bhai directing this part, you will feel like crying.
Bholanath, have you also cried?
Yes. No. Why should I cry? I have not played that part.
Bholanath, haven't you played any part in Jatra?
Yes. I have done enough.
Okay, Bholanath, can you please do something for me?
No.
Bholanath, I just heard you singing, and I'm pretty much sure you're going to perform very well. And I think I will be the luckiest person alive who is going to witness your performance. Bholanath, can you please do something for me? Please. The stage is all yours.
Okay. I will show you. Yes. Jai Rangamanch.
Charan Manch.
ଶ୍ରାବଣୀ ତୁମେ ଜାଣିଛ ମୁଁ ତୁମକୁ କେତେ ଭଲ ପାଏ ଜୀବନର ସବୁ ଦୁଃଖ ଲୁହ ଗରିବା ଘରୁ ପିଣ୍ଡ ପଡୁଛି। No, no, no, no. I don't play any part. That was Pelu bhai.
Okay, okay. What do you do these days?
Cultivation, farming.
Bholanath, have you remembered what I have asked you?
Yes, bhaiya.
Okay. Have you decided anything? What are you saying?
Father will be left alone. He's old. Who will look after household and farming?
Don't worry. I will take care of everything, okay? You will have no difficulty here, okay? Think over it and let me know, huh? Sukanta, let's come over to veranda. We'll have coffee over there.
After you.
Bhaiya.
What?
Why should not I stay? I will stay if I get a cycle.
What?
Cycle, bhaiya, cycle.
Cycle.
Yes. I asked father for the cycle. He threatened to beat me up. I asked mother also, but got no response. Wrote to Didi many times. She is quite too. Nobody is willing to give me a cycle, bhaiya.
Bholanath, come on. Stop crying.
Don't cry.
Okay. You need a cycle, right?
Yes.
I will give you one.
What? You will give me a cycle? You are telling me the truth? You are going to give me a cycle?
Yes, I certainly will. Do one thing. Go in the market and check the price. I will come with you to buy a cycle.
Okay, bhaiya. I got it. I got it. I got a cycle. I got a cycle. I got a cycle. Didi, I got a cycle. Didi.
Come in. It's Jatra here. If you behave like this, I will not give the cycle for you. You have to be absolutely quiet. Nobody must know that I bought a cycle for you. Do you agree?
Yes, I agree.
Nobody will know, right?
Okay.
Good. Up.
Something's getting cold.
Coming, coming. Don't tell anyone.
Okay, bhaiya. Okay. Nobody will know. I got a cycle. I got a cycle.
I like to ride my bicycle. I ride it every day. I ride it when I go to school or when I want to play. I pedal all around the town. I pedal round and round and round. I pedal uphill and don't you know, I can even pedal fast, I can even pedal slow. I like to ride my bicycle. I ride it everywhere. Anywhere you need to go, a bike can take you there. I pedal up, I pedal down. I pedal round and round and round. And I always stop to say hello. But if I leave here, I can go, go, go. I can go, go, go. I like to ride my bicycle.
Bholanath,
Yes,
what are you doing here?
I am dreaming.
Dreaming.
Yes,
What are you dreaming?
in my dream, I am cycling.
Oh, cycling. Good, good, good.
Yes, I am cycling.
Bholanath, are you oh my God. Hey. Oh my God. Bholanath, what are you thinking nowadays?
I am thinking I will stay here.
Here.
Yes,
And
and then what is there to tell you, sister? She herself is asking me to stay here.
your sister so told you to stay here.
Yes.
No. Did she ever ask you why she fainted that day? Must recall, Bholanath, the day you reached here and our Sukanta gave her one injection. Remember?
Injection.
Yes.
Yes, she told me all these things.
What?
Pay attention to your studies
And
be a successful man.
And?
And then
Huh.
she told me to respect
Oh my
elders.
God! Get up, Bholanath, get up!
No,
Oh, naughty boy, leave me!
No.
Leave me! My God.
uncle. Why did my Didi faint?
That's what I'm asking you. Why did she faint?
Just think, think. Think, you are a thinker, Bholanath. Think. Think.
She was perhaps fasting that day.
Right. She was fasting that day. Poor girl. She is not habituated to all these kind of rituals. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna.
Uncle,
Hare Krishna.
should I go and ask my Didi?
No. Don't ask her anything. Come here. Bholanath, if that thing becomes true, then
What thing, uncle?
what shall I do? What shall I do? Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna.
Uncle, don't cry, uncle, don't cry. Uncle, will there be kitchen today?
Yes.
I like it very much.
Hare Krishna.
Uncle, I went to do kirtan with you. Yesterday while doing kirtan, you started crying, uncle.
Bholanath, I'm a very sad man, Bholanath. Hare Krishna.
Don't cry, uncle, don't cry.
Yes, do you know any good astrologer in your village?
Astrologer?
Huh?
Yes, there are many.
How could you know that they are good?
Ask anybody in the village. They will vouch for it. Don't you know Dharani Bhai of our village? The villagers say that at the time of his birth, the old astrologer Satyavadi
Yes.
had predicted that Dharani Bhai would slit his mother's throat. At the age of 40, he was cutting the branch of the neem tree in his backyard.
Oh my God.
Hack! The chopper flew off his hands and landed on his mother's neck.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna.
Save her from her
Hare
body.
Krishna, Hare Krishna.
Everyone in the village knows about this. They will tell you if you ask.
Son slits her mother's throat.
Yes.
Then
Then Dharani Bhai turned insane because of that. He wandered around the village, telling everyone he met, I have had my mother.
Oh my God.
Hang me! Hang me!
then what happened, Hare
Went
Krishna?
around saying this day and night. Eventually that's what happened.
What happened, Bholanath?
Dharani Bhai was hanged, uncle.
No.
In the end, he hanged himself from the same neem tree.
Bholanath. Oh my God. Oh, Bholanath, come down, Bholanath, don't act. What happened?
Uncle, what happened to you, uncle? Uncle,
The
why are
son followed the mothers. Then
Dharani Bhai's family lineage ended, uncle. Uncle, do you know Dharani Bhai?
yes, I know Dharani Bhai. I know him very well. One Dharani Bhai died. Another Dharani Bhai will born. One Dharani Bhai killed his mother. Another Dharani Bhai is going to murder his father. Pandit Jatadhari Acharya's prediction has never done wrong. Hare.
What are you talking about, uncle?
He's coming, Bholanath. He is coming. Nobody can stop him. He is coming to my house, Bholanath. He is coming.
Who is coming, uncle?
Your Dharani Bhai, Bholanath. He's coming. It's God's curse. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna.
Uncle, shall I call my Didi?
No. Don't call your sister. Come and sit here, Bholanath. Sit with me. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Say Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Bholanath, you know, yesterday I had a dream. I was doing my puja in my dream. And what I saw, you know?
What, uncle?
There was a storm. There was gust of wind. The doors and windows started banging with each other. God's special leaves, flowers started flying in the air and scattered on the floor. Hare Krishna. I couldn't do my puja anymore. I went to close the doors and windows. Then, what I saw, you know, I heard the sound of a newborn baby bubbling inside the house. I went running to Prafulla's room to see who is there. And there I saw your sister has given birth to you, child. My grandson, Prafulla's son. Hare Krishna.
I will be an uncle. I will be an uncle.
just a friend. Nothing else. She was with me in my medical college, that's all. And I have a lot of things to do. I'm not done yet.
So what? Go and talk with her, speak with her father. You must settle down, man. I know you still like her, I can see the family.
I'm not interested in getting married right now.
Then what?
I have to achieve a lot of things. I have to go foreign. Sort of degrees I have
Come
to.
on, you can do together, man. I don't agree with that.
Should I
Please.
talk to father about it?
Why not? You should. You
No,
must.
I cannot. Actually, you both are same in the match.
Come on, no way.
Stop lecturing, Prafulla. Please stop lecturing me. Bhabhi? What happened?
Nothing.
Are you not feeling well?
No, I'm fine.
Why are you looking so pale then? You must be worrying a lot.
Worry? What worry?
His home, family, husband, father-in-law.
I don't know anything.
What do you mean by you don't know anything? Bhabhi, that day you fainted for no apparent reason. And I also noticed yesterday while feeding us, you collapsed your head with both hands and just sat down.
Yes. I also have noticed while she was cooking in the morning. I have seen everything, Shada.
You have not seen anything. Let me go.
Shala is indeed not well.
What happened to her?
It could be nothing, but there is a possibility.
What possibility? I cannot understand it.
You cannot understand anything, no? Okay, I think I have to tell you.
What?
Well,
What?
yes! My friend, you're going to be your father. Congratulations!
What, Sukanta? Are you telling me the truth?
How can I say it's true or false? It requires proper medical checkup. But from the symptoms I have noticed, my guess could be right.
He's right. Oh my God. How can that be right? Oh my God. No way.
Hey, what happened to you? I gave you such a wonderful piece of news. Had it been someone else, it would have offered me chicken roast, roasted chicken, fish curry.
Sukanta, everything is getting mixed up. I cannot believe it. How can Shada be a mother when she herself needs a mother, man?
And if she does, what is your objection to that?
Yes, I have objection. I have married her. I'm her husband. I will decide what is good or bad for her. I will build her future.
Prafulla, what are you saying?
No, I can't do that. I cannot inflict this harsh punishment on her. She becomes mother at this age. She will lose her identity, and I cannot tolerate that.
This madness after marrying and having a family.
This is not madness, Sukanta. Whatever I'm doing is for Shaila's well-being. But I think for Shaila's well-being. I don't think for my own.
You know what? You should have thought of all this earlier.
Yes,
Right?
I should have. I could not. Sukanta, what shall I do? What shall I do? Please tell me. Tell me. All my hopes, aspirations will be blown up to smithereens.
There is no other way.
There is a way. And you know that. How dare you?
When did you get the feeling that I'm a criminal?
Don't you take pity on me after listening to all that?
Pity to ruin someone's life under the pretext of ruining someone else. I'm a doctor. I understand as much as a doctor should.
Are you just a law-abiding doctor for me? Nothing else, huh? Tell me, Sukanta. Don't you want any peace and happiness for me and Shaila?
Peace. My vacation is going to get over day after tomorrow. I will go away. I will not be around. You can find many doctors. You can do whatever you want. It's just, I can't do it. Yes, I can't do it.
Sukanta.
How can I help? Doesn't Shaila mean anything to me? I address her as Bhabhi. And how much tireless effort she has put in to take care of me in last 3 days. Take care of my schedule, my medicine, everything. She feed me. And I'm a well-educated and honest doctor. How can I even think about it? I can't do it. I can't do it.
What if Shella herself agrees? What if Shella tells me she does not want to be a mother? What if Shella herself does not want to be a mother? I will arrange a doctor. I will. Shella. She Shella, can I ask you something?
Yes?
Ever since you came here after our marriage, don't you feel any worry, sorrow, or anxiety?
No. But what?
Nothing. Just there is nobody else in the home other than father and me. Don't you feel lonely?
Why should I feel lonely? He's a full-time domestic head.
No. I'm not talking about that. I'm saying, suppose father and I were not here then.
Krishna. What has happened to you today? Let me go and bring some snacks for
No,
you.
Shella, please. I really need to talk to you. No,
See?
someone is coming between you and me.
Someone is coming? Who is coming? Huh? Who is coming? Who is coming? Who is coming?
Shella, don't you know anything? Can't you figure it out anything?
No.
Shella. Will you be mother at this age?
Mother? Who told you?
Shella, I know you are inviting a disaster with your own blood and flesh, Shella. I know you are a child. You don't understand anything, Shella. Shella? Shella? Shella? Shella? Shella? Shella? Please, Shella? Shella? Shella, please. Shella? Shella?
Hold me,
Shella!
Why are you looking so pale? Why are you not laughing? God has listened to me. Father was correct. God's compassion is boundless.
No! It's a lie! If God actually exists, it's not his blessings. It's a curse. And I will not accept this curse.
Curse?
Yes, curse. It will ruin all the peace and happiness in our lives. Tell me you don't want to be a mother, Shella. Say something. Say, Shella. Shella. Why? Say something. Say, will you knowingly succumb to this disaster?
What are you saying?
Shella, you cannot be a mother. I will not let you be the one. Shella.
No.
I'm your husband, Shella.
No.
Don't be disobedient, Shella.
No.
Shella,
No.
please.
No.
Shella. I'm your husband.
No.
You cannot be a mother. I understand you don't know anything.
No.
Shella, you could
No. Oh my God. Don't even utter that. I cannot do it. I cannot do it.
do it, Shella.
Ah,
Good job.
leave me. I will die. Leave me.
I will not leave you for
Father! Please! Father! Please save me, Father! Please save me! He's already murdered him. I cannot be a mother. What crime was sin did I commit, Father? Father, he will murder him. Father,
Hey.
please save me, Father. Please save me, please.
God is the witness to your marriage, my child. He is your husband. Whatever good or bad, you have to follow his order. Otherwise, God will be displeased. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Hare.
Who's there?
Sir, it's me, Sanandini.
Oh, Sanandini. Please come inside and sit down. I'm coming in a minute.
Don't go. Ashura.
Namaste, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Oh my God. What happened to you people?
Satyagraha, sir. It's Satyagraha.
You had asked us to do satyagraha, hadn't you?
Now see the result of your Satyagraha, sir.
The students were threatening that they would blow my head off. In the end, they were about to blow my suckle off, sir. We had a very narrow escape.
Sir, see, what has happened to the head? I only tolerated because it was your advice, sir.
Only because we respect you, sir.
Only because we are peace-loving people, sir. Sir, to put a stop to unjust conduct of the college students, we decided to start a Satyagraha with the help of you like-minded students, sir.
Yes, sir. And we decided to form a peaceful soul association to bring about the change in students' heart to do satyagraha, sir.
Now see the results, sir. We are breaking our head and head.
What is this? I had put so much reliance and hope on two of you.
Got it, sir. Got it. We got the result of your hope and expectations. In the end, unable to counter our satyagraha movement, the opposition leaders of college union used the mosquito net stands and broke our head and hands.
Yes, sir. See, my hand is gone, sir. Yet I will continue your Satyagraha.
Yes, sir. We will do satyagraha. Long live!
Satyagraha!
Long live!
Satyagraha!
Inqilab!
Zindabad!
Inqilab! Stop it!
You are in home. I have to finish a lot of things. We'll discuss some other time. Please. Please go.
Sir, thank you, sir. Sir, please come and join us at the Satyagraha movement.
Okay.
After all, it was your idea.
Sir, our satyagraha has an international connections.
Yes, I know, Parsuram, I know. Please.
It's your brainchild, sir. It's your brainchild.
Okay, sir.
Please, some other time.
Sir, will you please come in?
Again? Please.
Namaste, sir.
what these weird people?
Oh, this university union, you know, all this. Where have you been?
Railway station to check whether my train is on time or not. It's on time.
Would it have been too inconvenient if you had stayed on for a few more days?
What do you mean by inconvenient? I have left behind such important cases. And I've started getting nightmares here.
Okay, okay. When will you come again?
The time is right again.
Do you think the time will come?
Yes, it will certainly come.
When?
When? Don't you invite me for your child's Nicosia ceremony?
Will never.
My God. Man, Prafulla, get rid of this madness now. You won't gain anything. Do you think Shala is a child?
It's not madness, one. I'm asking you just one thing. After listening to everything, do you still think Shala should be a mother?
Who am I to think Shala should be mother or not?
Then why you were so determined the other day to make her agree?
To keep my conscience clean, so nobody can blame me later.
How far will you go to keep your conscience clean, Sukanta?
Very far. Even if the Queen of Hearts and Knight of Spades will shut their eyes.
And if I don't give you that opportunity, and if I don't let go of the Queen of Hearts and Ace of Spades,
Then you will be the best judge of your affairs. I will not have any difficulty.
do you think I will lose?
That's your responsibility.
And if I win,
In that case, I will be happier than you.
it will happen. I will take care of my own responsibility.
What will you do?
But you cannot. I will rule over Shaila. She does not have the right to be a mother of my child against my wish. If I pay the fee, I will get many doctors to help me.
Prafulla, what is wrong with you? Do you actually think the consequence of this?
Yes, I know. I'm prepared for that too. I will not ruin my future over the stupid, stupid God.
Oh my God! Your future? What about Shaila?
Oh, Shaila, my wife. Is there any difference between her future and my future?
Yes, there is, Prafulla. There is. Shaila is not only your wife. She represents the entire womanhood. Whatever hope and aspirations a woman should have.
Hopes, aspirations. Don't I have any hope, aspirations? Don't I have any want or desire as a man? Tell me, Sukanta, tell me. I will be understanding to every one of you, and nobody understands to me.
There is still time, Prafulla. Get rid of this madness. I will go away today. I will not be around to see whatever good or bad happens to your family. But before I go, I just want to see smile on both of your faces. Can't you do this much for me?
Oh, well.
God's blessing leaves.
For what, Bhabhi?
Nothing unpropitious will happen on the way.
I have short distance to cover. Give him first. He has long way to go. Well, Bhabhi, if you insist, please.
Please, I don't need it.
If Bhabhi is giving it with so much of affection, will your body become impure? if you put a bit of Babylon in your forehead?
It will. It has.
Bhabhi, what happened? Why are you so quiet? Bhabhi, you will not forget me, will you?
Don't address me as Bhabhi. I am Shaila.
Bhabhi, Prafulla was saying the same thing. Have you done that? Why don't you address me as Sukanta? Okay, leave it. What I really wanted to know, will you call me once in a while?
How am I addicted to you?
Why? You're my Bhabhi.
Exactly. If you treat me as your Bhabhi, will you promise me one thing?
What? What do you want to say?
Swear on the name of God that you will keep my word.
Bhabhi, that will not be insult to me. That will be insult to God.
No, no, no. Swear on the name of God that you will keep my word.
Okay, I swear on the name of God.
Give me that medicine.
Which medicine?
That medicine which will forever keep me the way I am. Please. Please give me that medicine,
Bhabhi,
please.
where does such medicine come from? I don't have it.
It is there. It is there. You cannot fool me. I don't need anything else. Just give me that medicine. You swear on the name of God.
I cannot do the impossible just because I swear on the name of God.
You are lying. You are lying. You all are lying. You all are out to kill me. You all are out to kill me.
Bhabhi, Bhabhi, calm down. Bhabhi, just because Prafulla is mad, you are losing your sanity too. Bhabhi, whatever has to happen will happen. But nobody can come in the way of the right you have as a wife. Bhabhi, Prafulla may not understand, but uncle will. Yes.
I am ill-fated. I have nobody in this entire world.
No, Bhabhi, no. Why are you saying like this? We all are here for you. Okay. I myself talk to uncle. You will see. His happiness will know no bound. In his old age, when child call him grandpa, Bhabhi, that joy and jubilation.
Bhabhi, you are... Shaila, will you please go inside?
Yes, Father.
Prafulla, Sukanta, where is your train?
Half an hour is left, uncle.
God bless you, my child. Okay, what is it, please?
Uncle, I wanted to talk to you about something.
Shall I leave? No. Sit down, sit down. I know what Sukanta is going to tell. Sit down. Look, Sukanta, I will be the most happiest person in this family if Shaila gives birth to a child. But it's not God's desire. Lord Krishna doesn't want Shaila to bear a child, to become a mother.
Does not want?
God doesn't want.
But why, uncle?
There is no answer to your why. It's God's directive.
Which God has given this directive? And why are you out to peril blindly following this unjust directive?
Sukanta, you are young. So much of vanity is not good. To question God's credential is sheer stupidity.
Uncle, I can't understand what you are saying. Don't you know how simple and innocent Shaila is? How can be God so ruthless and cruel?
No, God is not ruthless, neither he is cruel. He has created man, but he has not assigned any duty to man. It is we suffer for our own deeds. Hare Krishna.
What has Shaila done?
And you, would I not become God?
That's what I'm asking. If you are not God, then where did you get the power to decide what is in Shaila's fate or not?
Hey, my dear! You don't get that power by reading a few books. It takes years of spiritual practice and discipline to acquire that power.
Okay, but
Do you know?
please.
Do you know how much energy and effort I have spent in these 60 years to understand human fate? Can you imagine? After so many years of spiritual practice, God has bestowed on me the power to identify the significance of zodiac signs, planetary position. Is this all rubbish? What's that? You! I am not God. I am just an astrologer. I predict one's future. You may be wrong in identifying the symptoms of a patient, but Jatadhari Acharya's prediction will never go wrong.
What do you want to say?
What is it, please?
Bhavagrahi. Bhavagrahi is my disciple. Ask him. Haven't all my predictions come true or not?
Yes, Panditji.
Yes. What he saying? Yes. Huh.
I have seen many astrologers like you.
Sukanta, you are insulting Panditji in my home. It's my own insultation. I'm sorry, Panditji, please.
Doesn't the prediction change with the help of a hefty fee?
Sukanta, mind your language.
Yes.
Please.
You are right. Prediction may change in return for a hefty fee. Truth will be false, false will be truth. But can Bhavagrahi change? Has not he given me the fees? Yeah, I cannot change his destiny.
Panditji, please. Please come. Calm down. Murkha, sit down. He doesn't know you. He's a child. Please. Sukanta, Pandit Jatadhari Acharya is a wise man. He has never been insulted in a house like this.
Uncle, I'm seeking his forgiveness. But there is one thing I'm still not able to understand. Now, who will decide Shaila will be mother or not?
God!
Hare Krishna. He will decide.
Can you believe that God, who has created another human life inside Shaila, would bend to destroy the same life?
It's not easy to understand God's glory only through debate and argument. Then what? Believe in experimental analysis. I myself have analyzed Shaila's horoscope.
What did you see? What did you see?
Sukanta, you will not get anything out of it. Shaila's fate is not in our hand.
Uncle, you please try to understand a little. It's a question of Shaila's life and death.
Exactly. Not only Shaila. It's the question of life and death of our entire family. Shaila's child is a curse for this family. Curse! Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna.
Uncle, how can you say that?
Murkha. You stop! What?
What did your calculation and analysis reveal?
I have already told it to Bhavagrahi. Who are you?
Look, you are uncle's teacher. You deserve to be respected and rewarded by me. But the game you have started playing with Shaila's life, I will not going to carry it away so easily. Hey, I'm asking you, what did your calculation reveal? Hey, what did your calculation reveal?
You are trying to scare me.
Yes.
You are trying to scare me?
Yes.
Go ahead. But my prediction will never go wrong. It's destiny. Destiny.
What destiny?
Shaila's child will be a patricide. What? Yes, patricide.
Leave me. I will punish you, you fraud. Prafulla! Did you hear what that Acharya said?
Who? Jatadhari Acharya?
Yes.
What did he say?
Don't you know anything about what he told to Uncle about Shaila's horoscope?
What he would have said. Shaila's life is caused by the influence of her husband's sinful planetary position.
He should have said that, but he did not.
Then what did he say?
God's glory, Lord Krishna's wish, finality of destiny. Yes, rubbish. And you know what? This rubbish is the biggest tragedy of Shaila's life.
Sorry, I didn't get you.
It's better you do. You will not get anything out of it.
Okay. Leave it. I have decided Shaila's future. I will take her to the good doctor within a day or two and get her pregnancy aborted.
But you know what? Do whatever you want to do. I have to catch my train. Here's my luggage.
This cycle has come. Nothing behind.
Wow! Bola? So nice! Wow!
This is my signing brand new cycle.
Okay, okay.
Ding, ding, ding, ding, ding, ding, ding, ding, ding.
Oh,
This
beautiful!
is not a second hand. Brand new.
Nice! Where did you get it from?
From the cycle store in the market.
Okay.
Bought it just now.
Mm-hmm.
Carried it in cash.
Okay.
This is running beautifully. Can I show you?
Show me.
Yes, I will show you.
Wow.
Running just like the speed of a car.
Where did you get the money from?
Why money? I had the money.
Who gave it to you?
I had it.
Huh?
I had it.
Lie? You don't have it. Where did you get it from?
I had it.
Lie again. You didn't have it. Who gave you the money? Your Didi?
Yes, Didi. This I.
Stay here, Bola. Stay here. I will fix this matter right now. Who gave you the money? Your Didi?
Yes, that is correct. Didi.
Volanath has bought a cycle. Did you give him the money?
Didn't you give me the money, Didi? That money. That.
You had given him the money to buy a cycle.
Yes. He had given me the money, hadn't you?
Lie. All the money in the house is with me. Where did Didi get it from?
I don't know. Where's he got the money from?
Lie again? Nobody lie in this house. From where you learn to lie so much?
No. I.
Okay. Understand. I thought I will create a new person out of you. But as I can see now, it's not in your destiny. You're stealing, lying, and whatnot.
Rascal! You stole! Tell me! Who did you steal the money from? Tell me!
I am not a thief, Didi. I am not a thief.
Thief? Did I give you the money?
Yes, you gave me the money. No.
Then, who did you steal the money from? You are lying, stealing, right?
I didn't lie, Didi. I didn't lie.
Get out! Get out of my house! I don't wish to look at your face, okay? Get out! Get out!
Didi, you hit me, Didi.
Yes! I did, and I hit you again! So much courage! Look there! You're stealing from the person who feeds you! Huh? Leave this house! Leave this house! Leave this house! Leave this house!
I heard Bholanath crying. What's the matter?
I have banished the thief. Thrown him out.
Who is the thief, Bhavi?
Bhola. He has brought a cycle from stolen money.
Bholanath. He has stolen money to buy a cycle. Who said that?
I said that.
Wrong. I have given him the money to buy a cycle.
You?
Yes, I. I have come here with a dream that inspired by this happy family, I would start a family of my own. But what did I get here? Hatred, disbelief, suspicion, ranting and dragging off sick minds. It's a hell. Yes, I'm telling you, it's a real hell. But Prafulla, man is more important than God. He's the biggest enemy of mankind. I hate this. Uncle, Uncle is my respectable elder, a religious saintly soul. He always immersed himself in the praise of Lord Krishna and has made others to do so. Tell me one thing. Is Krishna just a clay idol? Doesn't he have little mercy on man? Doesn't he have any attachment? Uncle is as blind as Prafulla. One cannot live in this blind family. As I experienced, it's a hell. Habib, they will not let you live here. Come with me.
No. No.
Habib, come with me.
Sukanta, Shaila is my wife.
5. Do you have the courage to claim Shaila as your wife?
Sukanta, in front of me shamelessly like this.
Yes, I'm shameless. I don't care about any scandal, slander, or blemish. Shaila is a patient, and I'm a doctor. And you all are out to murder her. I will treat her. Bobby, come with me.
Leave. Please leave me. I cannot leave this house. My family is here. My home is here. Everyone here is my own. I cannot leave this house.
Bobby, they will not let you live here. Just come with me.
Leave me! How dare you! I'm warning you. Father, why are you standing like this? Am I nobody to you, Father? You? Why are you going to say something? I agree.
Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna.
I agree.
Hare.
I agree. I agree. I agree. I agree.
Habib, please listen to me for once. Please, come with me.
Stay away! Don't touch me. I have no sorrow, no pain. My life is very peaceful. I love to stay in my house. Look, I'm laughing. Look, I'm laughing. Look, I'm laughing.
You deeply resented the loss of Queen of Hearts and Ace of Spades, right? Keep them with you. I'm leaving them behind.
Thank you, dear audience. Let me introduce my actors to you. Please sit for a while. 1 minute. All the actors, please come and introduce yourself. Come. Speak.
Myself, Gaurav Panigrahi. आज बोला ना.
I'm Soti, Ramapati Dubiswati. I'm Adipurla.
Namaste everyone. My name is Nikita Bharti as Shaila.
नमस्कार सत्यव्रत राउत आज खबर
Namaskar, Akshay Singh Thakur as Jatadhari.
Namaste, Swati Singh as Sanandini.
Namaskar, Pushkar Tripathi as Sukanta.
Namaste, Ayush Bansal as Parshuram.
I'm very much thankful to our producer Manu Das and Samanjas Das. Please come to the stage. Sir. And the lights has been done by Raghav. Raghav, please come to the stage and music by Shakti Prasad and other backstage people. Raghav. Oh. This is a presentation of our newly formed Space Academy at Bhubaneswar, which I have just recently established. And we did one residency project. All the people we gathered at our place, and we did this play in 21 days, and that presented in front of you. बोला है बोलिए
क्या बोलूं? I'm really indebted to all of you for being here and enjoying the play. And it is a labor of love. And I am really speechless because after 51 years of writing this play, we are reproducing it for the first time in English in the heart capital city of India. And I'm grateful to all of you who have watched. Please spread the word that the Odisha has a lot of good plays which are going to be spread in the years to come.
I have already said what I had to. Hope you all enjoyed the play, and I hope there will be many more to follow.
I request Raina sir, Tripathi ji and Chitranjan, please come to the stage and have a photograph. And if you want to say something, you can.
Yes.
You must hear it.
I guess. हमारा सौभाग्य की बात है.
Few words from you after the play. No?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
बहुत मुबारक बहुत मुबारक.
नंदी का किससे आ रहा है? नंदी का किससे आ रहा है?